Watch me throw the ball by Williams. Watch me throw the ball. La la la. A ball. You found my ball. This is your ball? Yes, I threw it from way over there. You threw this ball from way over there? I'm very good at throwing. Wow. May I throw your ball? You want to throw my ball? Yes. Do you know the secret to throwing? Sure, have fun. Fun? Throwing this ball is not easy. It takes skill. It takes practice. It takes skill and practice. I work very hard to learn how to throw the ball. Very hard. Got it. May I try now? Yes, maybe one day you can throw like me, but stand back! That pig is throwing. Wow, how about that? I threw the ball so far, you cannot even see it. Woo! Who rocks? The pig rocks. Call me Super Pig. With my arm of power, ha! Piggie? Need to throw a ball? Here's the pig to call. Piggie? You mean Super Pig, right? Super Pig, I can see your ball. Back here. Do you know what this means? Yes. I threw the ball all the way around the world. The pig does it again. Super Pig is really neat. Super Pig cannot be beat. Piggie, you did not throw the ball around the world. The ball flew behind you and fell here. And that is not very far. Not very far at all. You're right, Gerald. I did not really throw the ball very far, but I had fun. La la la. Woo woo! Yes, I rock. The end.